Hey everyone, obviously it's December the way I'm dressed, so let's jump into the November Seattle condo statistics. And there's some pretty interesting stuff going on here. So just starting with the data, year over year, inventory is down 5% and values were up 21.3% to 582,750,000 was the median sale price for a condo in Seattle in December. Now, I've talked for a few months that I've felt there's something going on with the large year over year increases in the median sale price. I've been saying that since the summer, and I still feel I know the reason why that is, but that's perhaps material for a different video. But the condo market, from my boots on the ground experience, is not 20% appreciation year over year. It is not that healthy. So there's something going on there. Inventory is at 4.1 months of inventory for the entire city of Seattle. Now here's where this gets really interesting. We talk about the downtown core. So like Belltown, downtown, Capitol Hill, Queen Anne, those areas. There's 9 months of inventory in the downtown Belltown market. There's 5 months of inventory, 5.5 months worth of inventory in Queen Anne, and 4.38 months in Capitol Hill. So that downtown core area is really bringing down the city as a whole. I mean, if we're at 4.1 months for the city as a whole, but up to 9 in Belltown, that's really pulling its weight in the wrong direction there. So we'll see how things shape up there at the beginning of the year. Absorption rate was about where I'd expect it to be for this time of year, basically where it was last year. It's very poor. There's just not a lot of demand out there. So hopefully, as we've seen rates decrease the past month, we see that continuing to the end of the year and into next year too, because a lot of condo sellers need some pretty big relief there. So have a great new year, and we'll see each other in 2024.